I'm fangirling over here. It sounds awesome. It sounds fabulous.
We finally made it to Louisiana. About to check into our hotel. Man, this thing is a sight to see going down the road. That mouth is right above the cab, so there's a big old face hanging out. I don't know if y'all can see this or not. Can I get light on? Oh no, it don't work. There's like 5 million bugs all over the whole front of this thing. Like, bad. You'll be able to see it during the daytime. But hey, we made it. Funny story, when I pulled it up on the trailer, as soon as I pulled it up on the trailer, idling for less than a minute, radiator hose blew off. Dumped all the fluid out. It's the radiator hose right at the front of the motor. So, I got this new one over here. It's too daggum dark to see anything. I got that new hose. I'm gonna swap it out. So, we'll see how that works out tonight. That way in the morning, we'll be out there and ready. We made it out here to Louisiana Mud Fest. Checking all the fluids on the motor, everything. Do some testing. About to be driving down and test out the truck. Heading on home from Louisiana. Take a little pit stop. Didn't get a whole lot of footage on our phone. I did get footage on the 360 camera. The truck runs awesome. Only downside is we having coolant problems. I'd get about a quarter mile down the trail, it hit up to about 225. So you got to figure out if it's a fan or a water pump situation. So pretty much all we did was cruise, park, hang out, cruise, park, hang out. So sorry I don't have no video of it, you know, blasting through the mud like I want to, but that'll be coming. I gotta work on little quirks, but it is rowdy. It's gonna be awesome when I can actually really put my foot to the floor in it. Did a great show, had a blast out there. Can't wait to go next year. Just made it home. About to unload the truck, drive it down to the house because the power lines are too low to get back there. Gotta drive it a few blocks. Made it home in one piece. Like I said, truck ran great. Only downside is the water leak we're having. Oh, and I melted the plexiglass on this side. So next in plan is to wrap these headers, keep the heat down, and probably put a piece of sheet metal in between the headers and this framing rail. Keep the heat off of everything. Here's the plexiglass right here. It's actually Lexane, 1/4 inch. So I melted the hell out of that. Replace it, and then pull that water pump. So I believe that's where the water is leaking out of. That's a 1/4 inch aluminum plate on the front. So I'm going to put a gasket on both sides, which it already has. But when I do that, I'm going to put RTV on both. RTV the hell out of it. Hopefully seal it off to keep that from happening. Also, this is probably contributing to the heat. I've got about a finger's width in between the headers and the radiator hose. Wrap the headers, put another heat shield right there. So that way it'll help the heat stay down. And with the radiator, I'm probably going to go ahead and pull those 12-inch fans off the radiator. Upgrade to some better performance ones. It's a 4-core aluminum radiator, so it's plenty of radiator, but it's probably got some cheap little Amazon fans that came with it. So I'm going to upgrade those to a lot better ones. But truck did perform awesome. Didn't get to see its full potential, but for what it is, it's doing good. Gonna get it washed up, try to get everything fixed as much as I can before next weekend. Got a fundraiser from a buddy's family. So till then, here's y'all's update.